On this funnel right here, we dropped our CPL by 87%, and the only thing we changed was our ad creative. In this video, I'll show you guys exactly how we did it and how you can see similar results for your own funnel. Hey guys, my name is Anthony and I'm an ad creative manager here at Strikepoint Media, and welcome to the Strikepoint Academy, where you subscribe for weekly videos on cutting edge digital marketing tactics to help you scale your business online. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button below. Before we jump in, if you like real life case studies on digital marketing tips and tricks, and you want to get more bang for your buck when it comes to advertising, then subscribe to our clicks to conversions report for free in the description. We'll show you what's working and what's not working for our clients in real time. Okay, so let's dive in. So in order for me to explain how we were able to drop our CPL so drastically, I've got to explain our product. So the product is called Chart Alerts, and it's a free service for investors. Investors give us their email and we'll send them an actionable trade idea every week from technical analyst JC Peretz. These are the original ads we were running for the funnel, and here are their stats. As you can see, those CPLs are crazy high, especially when it's a free product. So our CPL target for this campaign is sub $5. So these ads are just not cutting it. So what's wrong with these ads? They look really nice, but the copy is what's lacking here. At first glance, I don't have a clear picture of what I'm being offered. Data doesn't lie is the headline, but that doesn't really speak to what the investor wants. Investors don't want more data. They want an expert to look at the data and give them a trade recommendation. And for the sub-headline, get weekly trading tips from the world's most data-driven analyst. That gives me a little bit more context, but not a whole lot. I still don't know what kind of tips I'm getting, and I don't know how effective those tips are. So I know this is a great product, but I don't think it's being communicated effectively to the end user. So I wanted to create a video ad that grabbed my ideal customer's attention and showed them why this product would improve their life. So my job as an ad creative manager is to come in and say, how can I first grab my target audience's attention? And once I grab their attention, how can I quickly convince them that my product will add value to their life? So the first problem I wanted to tackle was I wanted to give people more context as to what the product is and why it would improve their trading in their life. I thought a great way to do this would be to film something that looked organic. So this is trending really big on Facebook, TikTok, all those kind of advertising platforms, is something that looks user-generated. So it doesn't look like an ad, but it is an ad. So they're scrolling down their feed, they're going down their feed, and if they scroll past an ad, they might just keep scrolling. They're like, oh, that's an ad, I'm gonna keep scrolling. But if it doesn't look like an ad, they might stop for just enough to get hooked and interested in your product. So that's what we're aiming at doing here. So for this ad, I wanted to capitalize on trending TikTok videos. So this ad really looks like a TikTok video. So I'm gonna play it for you guys here, and let's just watch through it and then we'll comment on it later.
Trading hack. Did you know that you can get a free stock alert texted to your phone every week? TradeStocks.com sends out a new trade idea every single week, and they're actually pretty good. Here are some of the recent trades. 51% on CrowdStrike, 34% on Blink Charging, and 96% on Jumia. You'll get notified by text and by email. Each alert comes with a video breaking down the trade and explaining when and why you should buy or sell. It's definitely worth checking out. Click below now to sign up for free.
Okay, now after watching that video, you guys can see what I meant. That ad gives so much more context than the static ads that came before it. So number one, it looked organic, so it got people to stop. Number two, it felt like a review, so it was coming from a place of trust. You were watching someone else review the product. If you think about it, when you're reading through reviews, you give those a lot higher value than a sales page itself. So you trust someone who's reviewing the product rather than the product selling you. So if your friend is telling you about a product, you'd be much more inclined to buy it rather than just being sold by an ad. So that's what we tried to do here. We tried to make it seem like a friend was reviewing this product for you. Okay, now let's look at the stats. So the static ads were averaging $37 per lead, which is really, really high. Remember, our target lead cost is sub $5. So once we launched the organic looking ad, our lead cost dropped by 87%, all the way down to $478, which is a huge improvement. And now our funnel is actually profitable. And just to note that we changed nothing else about this funnel. So we didn't change our targeting, we didn't change our landing page. All we changed was our creative, and we got those results. Pretty amazing. Okay, and now let's talk about how we made the ad, because this is actually a lot easier to make than you may think. Most of the ad was actually made in TikTok. So what I did was I went to all the various sites and just screen recorded myself going to these sites to film all the B-roll for each section. And then for the voiceover, I decided to use a voiceover from Siri because those are trending a lot on TikTok right now. So that's an organic trend in itself. So a lot of people just watch those videos just because. So as an ad creative manager, I'm not trying to fight these trends. I'm trying to use them as much as possible in my own creative. So, number one rule, don't make your ad look like an ad. So if you want to make this ad for yourself, your first step is to write out your copy. So go to Google Docs, write out your copy, get a really good script going, something that you're really proud of before you do any screen recordings or any voiceovers or anything like that. And so remember, our framework for this organic looking ad went like this. Number 1, trendy intro. Number 2, benefit to user. Number 3, build trust. Number 4, show results. Number 5, show features. 6, state the main benefit. And 7, hit your call to action. So those are the 7 pieces we used in the organic looking ad. And remember, I see this so many times. People try to sell their products with features, but you really should be selling with benefits. So features are an added bonus, but benefits are what sell your product. So examples of features would be getting chart alerts sent to you by text, by email, you get a YouTube video. Those are features. The benefits are that you get a trade idea that's actionable and can make you money. That's the benefit to the end user. So that's what's gonna sell your product. That's what you need to hit right before your call to action. So now let's talk specifics. So you've got your script all flushed out, ready to go. Now you're gonna go to the sites where you're gonna screen record or take screenshots. And this is gonna be all your B-roll that you use throughout your video. Once you have all your B-roll together, you can either put this together in like a video editor like Premiere or After Effects, or you can put it together in TikTok. I think it's easier for me to put it together in After Effects, but you can easily do it in TikTok as well. So just line your clips up in order of how they go. And then after that, you're gonna use TikTok to get your voiceover. So you're gonna get the voiceover from Siri. So all I have to do is go to TikTok, type in the text that you're gonna use on each slide. So you're gonna hit the text button, type in your text, hold down on the text, and then hit text to speech. And now you've got a voiceover from Siri. So just go along each of your points throughout the video where you want those texts to show up and type them all in, hit text to speech, and you're good to go. You should have a completed video after that. Okay, so that's it. That's all it takes to make an organic looking ad. Feel free to try this style out for yourself. This should work whether you're doing lead gen or e-commerce or anything like that. This style is pretty popular right now. A lot of different agencies are using organic looking ad creative. Now I want to turn it over to you guys. What do you want us to make a video about next? Leave a comment down in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, I want you to stop what you're doing and smash the like button. Also, make sure to subscribe to the Clicks to Conversions report where you get real life case studies on what's working and what's not working for our clients in real time. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want digital marketing tips, tricks, and tactics to help you scale your business online, then subscribe to the channel below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.